Hello everyone, welcome to another ChatGPT tutorial video. Now in this video, I will show you how to draw art in ChatGPT. Now, as you know, in ChatGPT 3.5 and 4, you can actually, draw an art. But what kind of art, right? So you have two different options that you can do. So the first option is to draw an ASCII art, or basically if we go here, you can say draw a monkey art, as you can see. And as you can see, it will say, I'm a text-based AI. Unfortunately, I cannot directly create visual art. So as you can see, it cannot create a visual art. So what you can do is you can say, can you draw monkey in SCI, like this? And as you can see, it will draw a monkey, right? But this is really not what we want. So what you can do is you can use an alternative, which is called ChatSonic. ChatSonic is a ChatGPT 4 alternative. What you can do here is you can go here and you can say, can you draw a monkey? And as you can see, they're generating an image for you, and this will actually generate the image. And as you can see, right now you can see the art. So basically what you need to do, you need to go to the ChatSonic until the ChatGPT 4 does not get its own art that you can generate. So this is the only way that you can generate art right now, unfortunately. You can also do this in Bing AI Chat as well. So if you want to explore that option, you can explore that option as well. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next video.